Okay, let's do kind of an in-depth video on doing the AM mod on the Yaesu FT101 series. This has not been done yet, but I'm going to walk you through on what you'll need to do. And hopefully this will make it less intimidating, because when you read the info out there, it's like, what the, isn't that clear, a lot of it. So let's just start here. Take off the knob on the mode switch and the nut. Be very careful that you don't scratch the front of the case when you take that nut off. Okay, that's going to allow you to be able to rotate this around a little bit so you can get to where I'll show you you're going to need to get. You'll see why we do that. All right, these are the pins we're going to be talking about. And let's just label them here. There's going to be pin 1. Let's get the camera over there. Pin 1, pin 2, which you can see that red goes to. Pin 3, where that blue is going to, and the diode. And pin 4, where this yellow is going, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be pin 5 down here. Pin 5 is where this other end of this diode goes, and there's also a connection, a wire, that goes from pin 2 to also 5. Okay, so let's start with pin 2. You're going to remove this red wire, okay, and you're going to solder it to the ground of the microphone right here, right there. You solder there or there, wherever. Solder it to the ground. Okay, so you've now got rid of that. Now you still have that jumper that's going from pin 2 down to pin 5. Rotate the switch around and cut off that jumper, because you're going to use that jumper to tie pin 2 and 3 together. You're going to use a little piece of that wire, and you're going to tie these two together. You're not going to do anything with this blue wire, okay? While you're down there, you're going to clip that diode end also on pin 5. Clip the end of this diode as well as clipping the jumper wire down there, okay? So now there's nothing attached down there, right, to pin 5. What you're going to do is you're going to take this yellow, remove it from pin 4, and you're going to attach that to pin 5 down there. And again, just move the switch. You'll be able to get to it and attach that. Okay? Then the other end of the diode that you cut off down there at the end, which is going to actually pin 3, you're going to put the other end to pin 4, where that yellow was. The other end you cut down there, you're going to attach it to pin 4. Okay, so now the diode's going to be going from 3 to 4. One more step and you got it. Here we go. We're going to come over to this board here. Not this one, this one. And you're going to be seeing a yellow wire that goes from there to the heater switch. You'll see there's 2 yellow wires, but only one goes to the heater switch. One goes over to this switch, but one goes down to that actual heater switch down there, okay? That's the one you're going to cut and remove. It's on pin 9 here on the bus. You're going to cut that wire that goes to the heater switch, and now you're going to attach that wire to where this yellow wire was. This is the wire you moved down there. Now you're going to attach that wire to where this one was, to that pin. That's going to be pin 4. Attach it to pin 4. All right, that's it. I hope that helps out to kind of really show you what you're looking at and make sure you get that right. And let's get to it.